Good job. Can you sit? Sit. Oh, that's a good job. Good boy. How's it going, everybody? My name is Stuart Kruk, here with you in the Bay Area of California. Today with us, I have our newest member of our 2-week board and train. His name is Eragon. He's about a 1.5-year-old golden retriever, and he's here because he's extremely stubborn. He's also got some issues with some other dogs. He tries to be really friendly, but apparently he gets attacked by every other male dog he comes across. He can also be really stubborn about things. He's pulled his owners over a couple of times while walking, lunging super hard and all crazy. So I'm going to go through his own try to kind of see where he's at. Check back with us a couple of weeks. You'll see his transformation. Nope, give me bud. Come. That's good. Boys, good job. Very good. What about down? Can you go down? Down? Can you lay down? No. Okay. How about place? You do this? That's good. Oh wow, look at that. Can you sit? Can you sit? No. Okay. All right then. Come on, pups. Come. Everybody, come. Okay, good boy. Sit. Very good. So he seems to have his recall and his sit down pretty well, but that's about it. Again, check back with us in a couple weeks. You'll see his transformation. Thanks, folks. Come on.
I'm Ruchika Singh.
And I'm Rishil Singh.
And this is Eragon. He is about 17 months old and he's a golden retriever.
Why did you guys send Eragon to our 2-week board and train?
Lots and lots of stuff. I think the top 2 or 3 concerns were really his leash manners, lunging, pulling, and all of that. I think 2 was overly getting excited with people and jumping on people to try and greet them. And third, we wanted him to start listening to our son, which he never did before.
That was a problem.
And now that you guys have him back, how are we feeling about everything?
Feeling wonderful and excited and happy.
Yeah.
Looking forward to good times with him. Hopefully we can take him out for a walk, take him with us wherever we go, which has been a struggle in the past. So we're looking forward to that a lot. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree definitely, and I'm hoping he'll start listening